Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to create this background on this card. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me hold it up to the camera. And I'm using the decorative mask for embossing. And you might not have seen this. I know there's a bunch of videos out there using the brand new Big Shot embossing mats. And this is what they look like. They come a set of 3. You have the impressions pad, and then you have 2 silicone mats. One's that's really super thin, the blue one, and then also a gray one that's extra thick. And when you use these with your thinlits, your edgelets, and your framelits, which are like these, you can emboss with this special tool. But if you use this tool with your decorative mask as well, you can emboss with those too. So let me show you. So these are the Pattern Party decorative mask, and they're currently available in the annual catalog, and you get a set of 4, which you can see them right here. Typically you can use these for sponging, spritzing, and then also you can use them with our embossing paste. So it gives like another 3D element to your projects. But you can also use them with the Big Shot embossing mats, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's grab our Big Shot. So I want to show you here, hopefully these show up a little bit better on camera. So this is, let me show you the decorative mask that I used for each one of them. So this is the medallion. Hopefully that shows up. And then this is the brick wall. Isn't it awesome? And then there's this background. And then of course the clouds, which look like this. So great. All right, so let me give you this sandwich, and I'm going to show you how to make this background. Okay, so since there's 3 elements to this collection of the embossing, we're going to use the white impressions pad, and then also the gray silicone mat. We're not going to use the blue one today. All right, so first you're going to build your sandwich. So I have the Big Shot platform. This is without the thin die adapter, so just the platform, and then your acrylic. And then you're going to take your mask. I'm using the medallion. And this is the key. You want to lay it down first and then take your cardstock. Now you can position it how you want on the cardstock to lay. But you want to put the mask down first and then the cardstock. Okay. And you're going to take your silicone, your gray mat, put that over top and then your impressions pad. And then send that through the Big Shot. Oh, just slid off here, so let me show you. Isn't that awesome? What else is awesome is that Terry told me about the masking with the embossing. Isn't that, oh my gosh, I love it. So there's that one. So let me show you another one. So let's do the brick wall one. Okay, so remember your Big Shot platform and an acrylic, and then you're going to lay your mask down first, then your cardstock over top of that, then your gray mat, and then your impressions plate. Look at that. Oh my gosh, don't you love it? So then you just use those for your background on your projects. So let me bring in my card again. Okay, so this one uses the clouds in the background. I don't know if that's going to be picked up on the camera. And then this one has the medallion in the background. And this is also using a brand new stamp. It's called Tropical Chic. So cute, beautiful. So that's what I use for these cards. And then don't forget the Big Shot embossing mats. You get a set of 3 in the collection. And then also a fun way to use your mats with the decorative masks that come 4 to a collection in that. And then here's those templates again that you can see really quick. Okay, so that's it. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.